Now, technology is a boon which all of us live by in the 21st century. But yesterday, the world witnessed the Achilles heels of the giant that has taken over every aspect of our lives. Now, millions around the globe were hit after the massive IT outage, and Microsoft software was in fact impacted by the cybersecurity system error. Airports, flight services, bank, railway operators in UK, healthcare system, hospitals, schools, colleges, media outlets, Paris Olympic, IT system, 9/11 emergency services, global stock exchange, telecom companies, all of this were affected. Now, the global outage hit not just the offices, but almost all aspects of life, from travel to school and colleges to the banking system and global stock exchange and telecom companies. Almost no sphere of life was untouched by the IT crisis. So what caused this outage? Now, reports are suggesting that the issue occurred after the installation of a CrowdStrike update. Now, CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company that offers a cloud-based platform for security as per the reports. The issue in the Falcon sensor was introduced by an update overnight, and many social media users are now touting this as the largest IT outage in the history. CrowdStrike has acknowledged the issue in a recent support page and has stated that the recent crash on the Windows are related to the problem with the Falcon and the sensor. Now, they've also specified that this is not a security incident or a cyber attack, and Indians have been hit by this massive worldwide in fact, IT outage. Almost all Indian airlines, Vistara, Indigo, SpiceJet and Akasa Air battled this technical issue, which affected the booking, check-in, the flight updates, and Times Now spoke to the passenger who were impacted by this. Listen in.
We have not received so far. So far there has been no.
Yeah, I know there's some Microsoft problem, but we haven't.
That's for the SpiceJet. They are not informed.
Well, have you basically got any communication from your airline that there will be any disruption in service?
For now, no. I don't have any update. Let's see what happens inside now.
The system is not working. It's very slow, and the only thing they are telling like this, the system is very slow. There are few passengers who have to go to other connecting flights.
I think, like me, all the other passengers are also in the similar shoe. What I have been told is that it's a system error experienced throughout the world, not just Delhi. Yes. Of course, there is no way to verify, but I hope that is true. It's a system failure and everything is being administered manually.
Delhi Airport Terminal 3, from where we are reporting, is also impacted. You can see the several screens showing blue. In fact, here it's written recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. If you would like to restart your PC again, restart my PC, and all the instructions are given so as to restart your system. Several servers are down, and in fact, Delhi Airport Terminal 3, from where we are reporting, is also impacted. You can see the several screens showing blue. In fact, here it's written recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. If you would like to restart your PC again, restart my PC, and all the instructions are given so as to restart your system.
At present, I'm reporting from the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, basically the Mumbai airport. You can see the queues outside different gates at Mumbai airport are long today. Usually, such long queues are not to be seen. If at all there is no communication from the airlines, they have to come to the airport. The queues will be long, but manual check-ins are happening inside.
The entire airport has slowed down with several minutes because entire system has shifted to manual. Starting from issuing boarding pass to checking in, everything has been shifted to manual. The DG Yatra apps, the machines that has been installed outside the airport to ensure that the process is faster, that has stopped working.
Queue at the departure gate right behind the camera person. I'll ask him to show the departure gate. That's the departure gate right there, and people are just coming and leaving this particular spot disturbed by the nuisance that has been created by the server issue here.
Bengaluru airport, where we are speaking to many passengers, they are claiming the flights have also been cancelled. Also, certain flights have been delayed. And let me take you across this departure and the inquiry counters, in fact, where you can see people queued up literally to check their flight timing.
In fact, viewers, Civil Aviation Ministries has now assured that the airports have switched to manual mode and that the ministry is monitoring the situation extremely closely and that they are committed to minimizing the inconvenience to passengers.
पूरे विश्व में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की क्लाउड सर्विसेज डाउन होने के कारण सभी सेवाएं में दिक्कतें आ रही है। हमारे देश में भी हमारे एयरलाइंस सर्विसेज जो उसमें ग्राउंड ऑपरेशंस भी ब्रेक हुए हैं, लेकिन मैन्युअली अभी उस पर काम चल रहा है। डीजीसीए और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन उसका मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं। हमने सभी जो एयरलाइंस कंपनियां हैं उनको अवगत कर दिया कि आप सभी यात्रियों को इसकी सूचनाएं दें, इससे अवगत करें और हम सभी लोग डीजीसीए हो, हमारा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन हो, हम इस पे काम कर रहे हैं, मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं।
Amidst the focus and amidst the outage which had happened yesterday, the focus at the moment has completely shifted to finding a long-term solution to such an issue. Now, former IT Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar said that the world must work on fail-safe measures and resilience, and it must develop software alternatives.
It's a black swan event in the area of technology, and we are seeing it unfold in front of us, disrupting the lives of many millions of people, businesses all around the country and in the world. So maybe it is time now for companies to ask the question whether they need to have diversify their enterprise software. Maybe there is a need now for us to start specifying standards on fail-safe designs, redundancy, resilience.